guys, and today I'm going to show you my slime collection. So this is my slime. This is my glue slime. It was made of glue, white glue, as you can see. Stretchy. I'm not going to get the whole thing out because there's a lot of it in here. I don't show. And it is full right up to the brim of the cup, so I'm not actually going to show you because then it might get a bit messy. As you can see, my hands are a bit messy. Yes, so that's the glue slime. And if you want it to be like non-sticky, like I want it to be, I'd advise you to put it in a towel, and I'm just going to break it out. Yes, so mine melted overnight, my blue one, and it's also blue because I used somebody. So now moving on, I only have 2 slimes, but I will make more in the future. So this is my green slime, and this is the sticky one too. See? It looks like it's paint, but it's actually slime. And that's it for now. Goodbye.